it's Gina with WTI, and when it was time to get my husband a new sweater, what he wanted was something that had a really cool knit pattern to it that would be soft and comfortable and that he could wear either casual or dressed up. So when we saw this one from Arcciit, we knew it would be perfect. One of the things that my husband really loves about this sweater is even though it has a bulky look to it with the beautiful checkerboard knit pattern, it doesn't make you look heavier because the yarn itself is actually not that thick. This is a really nice layering sweater, and he loves the look of the collar. You can wear that with the collar up or folded down, both buttons buttoned, both of them undone. There's really just so many options for it. We got the dark gray color in size medium. My husband has a 42-inch chest and he wears a size medium generally, and we would say this is true to size because it really just goes with so many different types of pants. My husband is not easy on his sweaters, and this is holding up to all of the wear that he's giving it, and it's not stretching out and looking worn. It still looks really good even though he wears it all the time. We feel you really can't go wrong with this sweater, and that's our point of view.